Figuring out how to deal with your autoimmune condition can be a maze of obstacles, and it's hard to find the first step to the right path. But it's possible and entirely worth it once you get your health back. Hi, my name is Dr. Isabella Wentz, and I want to share my story. As a pharmacist, I used my medical background to put my own autoimmune condition into remission. Like many people with an autoimmune condition, I suffered from debilitating fatigue, hair loss, stomach pain, cold intolerance, brain fog, irritable bowel syndrome, joint pains, acid reflux, a chronic cough, and a countless list of other symptoms. I've spent the last 6 years researching treatment methods for autoimmune disease and have found that whether you have Hashimoto's, Graves' disease, fibromyalgia, celiac disease, polycystic ovarian syndrome, or one of the other countless autoimmune conditions, optimizing your health starts with food. While I do believe appropriate medication management may help you treat the symptoms of your autoimmune condition, I've also found that lifestyle interventions such as diet will help you rebalance and help the autoimmune process, getting to the root cause of the condition. Figuring out which foods nourish you and which ones cause you harm is the single most important step you can learn in your health journey. While I was trained in conventional medicine and received little support from my own doctors in regards to lifestyle methods, my medical background taught me to recommend lifestyle interventions first. My mission is to bridge the gap between conventional and functional medicine. That's when I started searching for the root cause of my autoimmune condition, which led me to my first aha moment. I discovered several published studies showing autoimmune patients having success following a gluten-free diet who are able to get their conditions into remission. But when I started doing research on how to do the gluten-free diet, I became confused. I became so overwhelmed, I went directly to the grocery store and found the gluten-free aisle. I made the same rookie mistake as most people. I replaced my previous junk food with gluten-free junk food. I saw some improvement with this diet, but my improvements plateaued, so I continued to dig. Further research led me to the paleo diet, and how that was even more effective than the gluten-free diet. The concept made sense. Simply eat like our ancestors. But there were so many options that I didn't know where to start. Could I have meat, potatoes or sweet potatoes, nuts, vegetables, eggs, rice, grains, fruit? I spent almost a year trying to get my diet right. It was hard with a full-time job, a family, and travel, but the results were amazing. I no longer had a chronic cough, stomach issues, acid reflux, or bloating. Most importantly, I started to get my energy back. As I began to tweak my own diet and that of clients, I also found that some people needed a slightly different approach, more tailored to common autoimmune reactive foods. Over the past 8 months, I set off on a mission to come up with a concept that would take the guesswork out of which foods are beneficial to healing and which are not. This is how I came up with the Root Cause Recipe Portal. I'm so excited to share this with you. The Root Cause Recipe Portal is filled with root cause paleo and root cause autoimmune recipes and allows you to schedule your own personalized recipe menu weekly. The portal lets you individualize your grocery list depending on your goals. Best part is, I made it easy to follow and easy to implement with any lifestyle. The Root Cause Recipe Portal allows you to save time and money. Just make your list before heading to the store. You'll never go hungry and will throw away less food at the end of each week. It's like no other autoimmune solution around because it's so much more than a database of recipes. Cooking instructions, customizable portion sizes depending on your needs, meal plans, and so much more like the nutritional information right at your fingertips. Properly nourishing your body can make a huge difference in how you feel. 95% of my autoimmune clients have reported feeling better after implementing my dietary recommendations. The Root Cause Recipe Portal will keep your health on track from start to finish. Begin with the first step today to take charge of your own health.